Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also love unboxings and you guys love them too. I just received my Eyescream Beauty bag for the month of June. I'll pop deets right here, and this is one of my all-time favorite subscriptions for a couple of reasons. First of all, I like that they have a box and a bag version, so I love having a more affordable option. I also like that they are makeup heavy, makeup focused, and indie brand focused, which you guys know is my heart and soul. We're gonna dive in. I generally do not get any spoilers at all, although I do know for the box, I'm sure we're getting 2 palettes this month, so I'm so incredibly excited. That's next up. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in. And normally I would try things on for you guys, but I just got home and I already have makeup on, so I won't be able to test things for y'all today, but just let me know if you guys want to see particular products or anything like that, and I will absolutely get a video up for you guys testing them. And of course, excuse the glasses, your girl can't see and I've been out all day, but I did want to show you guys my eye look. This is using the MVNDI Makeup the Vault palette, and it's so pretty, and I have like a really pretty like yellow summery dress on today, so I thought it would be perfect for that. But here is what it looks like. I do have a video unboxing this and testing it out, and then I think I'm also going to do like a full-on swatch video. I do have an affiliated code with MVNDI Makeup. It's Riri10 for 10% off $39.99 or more. So I always just like to say that. And this dress, you guys, I'm going to try to pop a picture here. This was $1.75 from the thrift store. Yes, I'm one of those people. Anyways, all that to say, look, I'm sorry, y'all. If you're new, I'm real sorry. I like to talk. I really like to run my mouth. We do get a little card that tells us what's in here. First up, I see the Bella Pierre Cosmetics, the HD Smoothing Primer. That sounds amazing. I do like the packaging of this. All right, next up, that's so pretty, whatever that is. It's in bubble wrap. This is the base blue, the 4 Seasons face color, and it says summer and it says highlighter. I have tried a few things from base blue, more specifically and recently I've actually been using their brow pencil and it's great. Let me actually get my tweezers because I can't open this. I hope everybody is well. I hope you are enjoying the, I know it's still technically spring, right? It's not summer yet, I don't think, but holy crap, it is 100 degrees here today, y'all, and it is hot and humid, and I've been gone all day. So your girl's hot, but I did come home and realize I had all my subscription boxes waiting for me, so you know what? We're just gonna go for it. But I hope you guys are well. Does it get super hot and everything where you guys are at? Is it still kind of more spring-like where you guys are at? Or did spring just not show up and now it's already summertime? All right, there's the packaging. That is so pretty. I love when packaging kind of corresponds to like whatever it is, and or that's cool, it's magnetic. I love that. Oh, that's really beautiful. I don't know how much use I would get out of this. Most likely I would use that on the eyes, but that shade for a highlight is absolutely stunning. But I am somebody, and I bitch and complain about this all the time, I want to see what's inside, what's on the outer packaging inside. I like to see that the outer packaging is kind of indicative of what's on the inside. So it 1000% is. This is beautiful. I will swatch it for you guys. Very, very smooth. Incredibly soft. Whoa! And crazy, crazy blinding. Wow. That is stunning. Look, we might try a little bit, y'all. I'll just use my fingers. Holy crap. Ooh, that is pretty, you guys. Wow. Do you see that? I'm not gonna put this on my face right now because I have to still match, because I have to still film. This is so weird taking my glasses off, y'all. I know I don't really say it and y'all don't really fully know how bad my vision is, but I'm sorry about the glasses. And people do like to complain if I wear glasses, which I respect that, and I respect people's opinions and stuff like that, but look, if I've already had my glasses on, I'd rather you guys see a little bit of, you know, a reflection than have a bunch of marks all over my face, and I like to see you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, absolutely love that. That is beautiful. It has a little bit of weight to it, and I've never seen packaging like this. I think it's super pretty. It is cardboard, but it seems very sturdy and very well made. I love that so far. And then last up for my Ice Cream Beauty bag is the Rachel Couture Rachel Select eyeshadow palette, 9-color eyeshadow palette. I love that. I like anything that's kind of a Baroque thing, a vintage inspired type of vibe. I love stuff like that. That is really pretty. Is it a basic neutral palette? Sure. But it is really beautiful. And I do like that there is some depth here, so I do feel like many skin tones can use this. I will swatch a couple for you. Okay, these feel more like satins, but they still feel very soft. Those mattes feel really, really, really smooth. And again, just let me know if you guys want to see a look with these. I can definitely come back and maybe kind of mix whatever I unbox in the box and the bag and just kind of do a like a twofer, if you will. Yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled. So those are our 3 products. We'll go into some deets now. Let's see. The Rachel Couture eyeshadow palette is $20, so that more than pays for our entire bag. The Base Blue Cosmetics, the summer in quotes highlighter, is $25. I think that's a great price. Like, this feels, it feels nice. I love that packaging. Like, I love that packaging. And then the Bella Pierre Cosmetics, the smoothing primer, is $20. So we have $20, $40, $65, and we paid less than $15 for this. Again, great bang for your buck. I absolutely love it. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think. This is one of the cheaper like subscription boxes or bags that's out there right now. Of course, Walmart beauty box is like $7. There are a couple that are kind of along that same price point, but all makeup, all indie brands. Absolutely thrilled. I love it. 5 out of 5 as per usual. That's it. Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you guys are well. Thank you for coming into my space. Thank you for allowing me into your space. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. It really does help me so much, you guys. I have a goal to reach 10,000 subscribers this year, and with your help, I know we can do it, you guys. Thank you, of course, to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.